Where'd your ball go, huh? Where's your ball? What are you doing, Goofy, huh? Here's your ball. Look, here's your ball. You want your ball? It's floating right here. Look. Watch out, don't let it fall in the water. Don't let it fall in the water. What are you doing, Goofaroni boy, with that ball? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, the ball might fall in the water. What's going to happen? Oh, no! What are you doing, Goofy, huh? You can see our backyard here, which has lots and lots of water, right, Goofaroni boy? So, there's our little swing, and here's Goofaroni playing with his ball in the water, right? There he is. Goofaroni boy.